students, thank you for tuning into my video today. My name is Jillian and I am a yarn fanatic. I love everything yarn and everything crochet, and today I am going to be making a skirt with a jumbo bow on the side. Now I got this inspiration from a skirt that I seen Tiara wearing. Here's the photo. Yes, very cute, very nice. So that's what I'm going to be making today. I went to Joann's and I bought some yarn. I bought 4 balls of this, what color is this? 4 balls of this hot pink acrylic yarn from Big Twist. That's 380 yards, 6 ounces. Now I don't know if I'm gonna use all 4. If I don't, then I have an excuse to go back to Joann's and get different color yarn for a whole different project. But for now I have 4, and I'll let you guys know at like the ending whether or not I use 4 or whatever. And of course I went to Joann's and I picked up something else that I didn't actually need, but it was 97 cents, so I had to get it. It's just this rainbow like Big Twist yarn, and I said maybe I could make like a hat with it or something, and I thought that was a cute idea. And I also went and I got another crochet hook because you can never have enough crochet hooks. Honestly, this is like a rough draft, so you guys are going to be doing it with me, going along with me. So I'm honestly just going to make a chain. I haven't learned how to do the foundation chain yet, and I'm quite okay with just crocheting into the chain for right now. So I'm just gonna make a chain around my waist, and then I think I'm gonna make this skirt with half double crochets so I can do the exact like length around my waist. When I'm using double crochets, I kind of take a couple stitches off, because once you start crocheting into the stitches, they start to stretch and expand a lot more. I'm also going to be putting this on my website probably soon after I make a pattern for it actually. But I'll make a pattern for it, and I'll also just sell it to, like, if somebody just wants to purchase it, I'll make it for somebody as well. Now I wish I had some heels and some like a little outfit to put together with it, but I don't, so that's fine for right now. Okay, I finished my chain, and now I connected it with a slip stitch, and now I'm going around the back loop. So my very first row is back loop stitches of just half double crochets all the way around. And I'm using half double crochet because I don't necessarily want the skirt to be see-through. I feel like if I do double crochets, it's gonna be see-through, and I don't want to do single crochets because that take too damn long. But if you're doing this dress on your own, or the skirt on your own, you could like do whatever you want, honestly. It's been a little minute, but guess what? The skirt is almost done. Hold on, let me back it up. The skirt is almost done. Now I wouldn't say I always get the measurements wrong, but I have a big butt, and like the thigh to butt ratio is kind of large, and then my waist is just a little bit, it's a bit smaller than my waist and what I would have to pull the skirt up over. So it makes it kind of hard for me to get like the most accurate like sizing for my waist and my butt, and because if I make it too small, it's not gonna go if I make it to fit my waist exact, it's not gonna go over my legs and my butt. If I make it to fit my leg and my butt like it does now, it won't fit my waist properly. So because it doesn't fit my waist properly, I went and I got some elastic from Dollar Tree, and I got this elastic from Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to take the pink out of it and do single crochets all around. So this skirt, I feel like I've done a bunch of different ways, a bunch of different dresses on my channel that requires me to make like a skirt. So if you really want to know how to make a skirt and how many times I increase or decrease, then you could go check out any one of my dresses videos. If you really want to know, you can check out the video where I have like, it's like a bikini top with a little string in the middle, and it's like a brownish beigeish kind of yarn. That is my own personal yarn from my website or my brand. You could get that on my website. I'm still building it, but on the website that is actually something that's like very clear, very available. The rest of the stuff, I don't know right now. You may have to DM me personally if you want a custom piece. Well, So I just make a loop, pull my yarn through, cut off my excess yarn. I always leave a piece just so that when I, you know, tie it, I could weave it in like I could. Okay, so I've tied it off, cut off my string, and now I'm just going to reattach the elastic. Then I just take my elastic and I reattach it, just as if I was reattaching yarn. So reattach it in like the same spot. And now I'm gonna do single crochets all the way around. Hey guys, so yesterday I finished the bottom. Well, I'm only making bottoms. I finished the skirt. Now what I realized is like for me, I feel like my projects are gonna be done with finished with elastic, because that's just, my butt is just, that's just how it works for me, right? So I'm gonna have to invest in a whole bunch of different colors because I didn't have enough of the pink, so I just added purple. Can you really tell? I don't know, maybe knows. But we about to start making the bow. Now I'm going to make the bow by just making like straight, the same way that you'd make a regular crochet bow. I'm just making it 10 times the size. 10 times, maybe 2 times, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, probably 6 times. 6 times the average size of like the bow that you would crochet to put in your hair. So I'm just going to make a very long chain. This is not really an in-detail tutorial, but if you guys want an in-detail tutorial, you guys could just leave it down below. This is like kind of just the basis. I feel like this kind of tutorial would be like for people who get the gist of crocheting, like the half double crochet, how to do increases and decreases and stuff. Because for this skirt, I only did 2 decreases, and it was like towards like this area. You can fake see it like where it curves in. That's where I did my decreases at. I chain stitch, and I think for the bow, I'm just gonna do double crochets, but I'm gonna start my first row in the back loop. I'm doing double crochets just so the bow is a little more loose and it's not just stiff on the side, because the bow that De'Ara has on, well, the bow that's on the side of her skirt is kind of like a floppy bow. So I'm gonna just do double crochets into every stitch, and I'm gonna come back and tell y'all how many rows, honestly, because I don't think y'all want to sit here. Oh, that was the wrong stitch. I don't think y'all want to sit here and just watch me. I made my skirt. I don't know if I told y'all that already. I made my bow, right? And I have the like ribbon that goes on like under the bow, whatever. Literally, it's just double crochets. Like the last rows are probably like 2 double crochets into the like first stitch, and that's really it. So I'm about to connect all of them together. This is what like the bow is gonna look like with the stuff, you know, connected. And then the skirt is gonna be like on the side of the skirt. So I'm gonna put it all together, and then I'm gonna come back, and then I'm gonna, you know, wear it. I wish I had a little outfit to put together for y'all, but I don't. And yeah. All right, Yarniverse students, thank you for tuning into my video today. I so greatly appreciate everyone that has viewed the video 1 second, 5 seconds, the whole way through. I appreciate you so much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos, and leave down in the comments below some ideas that you have for me. I know that recently I've just been coming up with my own ideas. Well, that's what I do all the time, but I really do enjoy when people give me like ideas so that I can challenge myself in order to see what I can actually do. Even though I think I know, well, I know, not I think, I know I could do everything that I, you know, put my mind to. But if you enjoyed this video, like it and subscribe. Bye, see you later, love ya.